Sceptre monitors are popular budget-friendly displays, but they can experience on-screen display menu problems, especially in newer models like the E24, C24, and U27 series. These OSD issues can manifest in several ways: complete inability to access the menu, unresponsive navigation, corrupted display graphics, or non-functional buttons despite physical responsiveness. The primary causes include firmware corruption from power interruptions, button matrix hardware failure, unstable power supply affecting the OSD processor, and corrupted settings memory preventing menu initialization. Begin troubleshooting with a hard reset procedure. First, power off the monitor completely. Then disconnect all cables for 30 seconds. While unplugged, hold the power button for 15 seconds. Finally, reconnect everything and test the OSD functionality. If the hard reset doesn't work, try a factory reset by simultaneously pressing and holding the menu and power buttons for 10 to 15 seconds. For newer models, use menu plus input plus volume down instead. Watch for LED indicator changes that signal reset completion. These initial troubleshooting methods have proven effective, with hard reset succeeding in about half of cases, factory reset in about 40%, and combined approaches achieving success rates of 85 to 90%. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced methods can often resolve persistent OSD issues. These techniques target deeper system problems that simple resets cannot fix. The first advanced method involves power cycling with an active video source connected. This technique helps resolve initialization timing issues that can prevent the OSD menu from loading properly. The button sequence reset involves rapidly pressing all monitor buttons in a specific order. This method can clear button matrix errors that prevent proper menu navigation. Prevention is key to avoiding OSD issues. Use quality surge protectors to prevent power-related damage. Never power off the monitor while navigating menus, and allow brief intervals between menu operations to prevent system overload. Regular maintenance helps too. Perform monthly OSD functionality checks and avoid excessive force when pressing buttons, as this can damage the control mechanisms over time. Seek professional help when multiple reset attempts fail, when you suspect physical button damage, or when your monitor is still under warranty, which typically lasts 1 to 3 years for Sceptre monitors. The good news is that these advanced methods, combined with basic troubleshooting, have a high success rate of 85 to 90%. Hardware replacement is only needed in 10 to 15% of cases, making these techniques very effective for most OSD issues. Remember that systematic troubleshooting and proper prevention can resolve most Sceptre monitor OSD issues without requiring professional service or hardware replacement.